Hello there. I wanted to share something with you. This is not my discovery. This was given to me. This was taught to me or told to me by someone else. I can't remember who, but another owner or a woodworker, somebody like that. But you see how my stone is, it's a bit dirty. I don't know if you can see it well, but it's dirty. This is a diamond plate. Now, I believe DMT, but I'm not sure. But one of the diamond companies, the diamond plate companies, sell an eraser that you can use to clean your plates with. You don't need the eraser. It costs a lot more than you really need to spend. What you need is just a little pink eraser. And watch what happens when I begin to use this little pink eraser on this stone. You see that? I don't know if you can or not. But you see how that dirt just goes away? Don't know if it's showing up on the camera well. But you see how easy? How much cleaner that stone is now? A little pink eraser. Get you an eraser. Clean your diamond homes. They'll cut a lot better. Last a lot longer. They'll even sound better when you hone on them. I've got a guide that I use sometimes when I want to correct a bevel on a chisel. If the stone is clean, it sounds wonderful. But when it's dirty, it goes squeaky, 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 squeak, squeak, squeaky, squeak. And I thought, man, my guide's wearing out. Nah, nothing wrong with the guide. Switch to a water stone, it works just fine. Come back to this, squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Take an eraser, clean the sucker off, sound goes away. I mean, yeah, but just, dude, if your diamond holes aren't cutting as well as they used to, they're probably dirty. Clean them up. All right. God bless you. I'll talk to you later.